Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to download an app on your smart TV. Whether you just got your new TV or you're exploring new features, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet. This can be done via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Once you're online, grab your remote and let's dive in. Step 1. Navigate to the home screen of your smart TV. Depending on your TV brand, this might look a little different, but you'll usually find a home button on your remote. Press the home button and you should see the main menu. Here, you'll find various options like settings, inputs, and apps. Step 2. Head over to the Apps section. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the App Store or Google Play Store icon depending on your TV's operating system. Select the App Store icon, and you'll be taken to a new screen with a bunch of app categories and popular apps. Step 3. Browse or search for the app you want to download. You can use the navigation buttons on your remote to explore categories or use the search function to find a specific app. For example, let's search for Netflix. Type in the name using the on-screen keyboard and select the app once it appears in the search results. Step 4. On the apps page, you'll see an Install button. Go ahead and select it to start downloading the app to your TV. The download and installation process might take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you'll see an option to open the app. Step 5. Select Open to launch the app. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and opened a new app on your smart TV. Conclusion. And that's it. Now you can enjoy all your favorite apps right from the comfort of your couch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.